want to show y'all 5 steps to mastering crazy legs. Step 1 is a warm-up. Balance on your left leg, all 4 wheels down. Bring your heels up in your right foot and move back and forth. And it's okay if your left foot moves a little bit too. And try it with your other foot. Right foot planted and left heel comes up. The second thing is to make a half circle. I'm pushing my toes forward, put my heel out, put it down, and then drag it. So when I'm parallel, that's when I'm going to pick up my heel, push the toes forward, push the heel out, put the wheels down, and drag it back. Pick up your heel, push your toes forward, put your heel to the side, wheels down, and drag. And once you get to this T position, lift up your heel, and it resets. So forward, heels down, drag back, and heel up. Push forward, heel out, down, and drag. Forward, out, down, drag. And then lift, forward, out, down, drag. Forward, heel out, heel down, and drag in a half circle. Lift up the heel, push forward, heel out, down, and drag. Once you're comfortable with that, we'll go to step 2, which is adding in the hip side to side. So this time you're going to do the same thing, except push into your hip. Forward, heel out, and back, and forward, heel out with the hip, and back, and forward, heel out, and back. Roll forward, heel out, put it down, and put your hip out, and pull it back. Forward, side, out, back. Number 3 is to try it with 2 objects on the floor. So I'm going to grab some fruit snacks, stand shoulder width apart, and then put one in front of each foot. Here's one, here's the other. We're at step 3 now, adding in the 2 obstacles. Make sure that 2 skates can comfortably fit in between the 2 spots. All right, so now let's go back to our pattern. So pick up your right heel, roll forward, put the heel out and down, half circle around, lift the heel back to center. And now we're going to alternate. We're on step 4 now. Hopefully you can see me. It's kind of getting dark. All right. Probably fine. All right, now for step 4, we need to move the fruit snacks a little bit closer so that there's only enough room for one roller skate to roll between. Because now we are going to get into the real main movement of the crazy legs. Step 4, we moved the fruit snacks a little bit closer so that now there's only enough room for one skate to go in between. What I like to do is emphasize the out. Essentially, the right leg is going forward and then out. And now the left foot is going forward and out. Forward, out, forward, out, forward, out, forward, out. Right forward, right heel out. Left forward, left heel out. Right foot forward, right heel out. And left foot forward, left heel out. The right heel is up and the right foot is back. As you're rolling your right foot forward through the center, the left heel drags back. And then you somehow magically get the same position with the opposite legs. So now, as your left toes are pushing forward, your right heel is dragging back, and you land in this position, ideally. So forward, out, forward, out. If you're not used to moving your body this way, and especially using these leg muscles, it's going to be difficult. So try not to get too discouraged. I wanted to just share a couple of things that help me to drill this move, and hopefully it'll help you too. All right, see ya.